Hi, we're here at the Sydney Personal Finance Festival 2025 visiting the Tiger Brokers booth. It looks like they're selling some dim sums and you need to get just the right amount to win some Tiger plushies. Let's go check it out. Looks like there's a long queue ahead of us and we're going to be waiting for a while. Hi.
So do you know how the game works?
No, please explain it to me.
So here you have the baskets and the intended weight on your baskets. So you have all the different dim sums. You can match the dim sums according to the weight on the basket.
Okay,
You
thanks.
have 30 seconds to do it. Okay, your time starts now. 5 seconds left. Okay. 299. Your intended weight was 369.
Oh no.
So here's your gift.
At least we still win something.
Yes.
Okay, this shows how important it is to have a diversified portfolio. It also looks like they have another menu for today where there are attractive rewards for depositing into your Tiger Brokers account, and even better if you're a new user.
So today we have a deposit promotion.
Using Tiger Brokers, we can trade the US, Singapore and Hong Kong stock markets with ultra low brokerage fees. We can also use this Cash Boost account to invest our CPF and SRS monies, and we can link our CDP to it. We can also use the Tiger Boss debit card to make foreign and local currency transactions, and we can earn cashback in fractional shares. Finally, if we have any questions, we can always ask Tiger AI.